Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson is on conjunctions. We will learn how to use and, but, because, and so properly. Let's begin. What are conjunctions? Well, conjunctions are used to join two words or phrases. And is used to add more information to a sentence. Let's have a look. I am going to the supermarket and the spa. I like to drink hot coffee and iced tea. I have brown hair and brown eyes. Next, the word but is used in a sentence to join opposite ideas. Let's have a look. I am hungry, but I don't have anything in the fridge. I like going for walks, but I am tired today. I need to get to work, but I have a flat tire. The word because is used in a sentence when you are giving a reason for a situation. Let's have a look. You will always find her at the bakery because she loves cupcakes. I am vacuuming because the house is dirty. I am going to the mall because I need to buy some clothes. The word so is used in a sentence to give a result of a situation. Let's have a look. She was sick, so she didn't come to work today. It is going to rain, so you should take your umbrella. It's getting late, so you should go to bed. That will be all for today. Don't forget to complete your exercises for some extra practice. I will see you next time. Bye! By the end of this lesson, I know what conjunctions are. I can use conjunctions and, but, because, and so properly.